All right, so today we're going to be doing the Queen's College step test, and for the protocol, we are going to do a single stage field test, which is going to determine your VO2 max. For this, it's a submaximal test, and also the protocol for the test, you're going to have to measure your starting heart rate, and then I'm going to take your starting palpation. Then you're going to step 16 inches on the box. You're going to do up, up, down, down, and you're also, after that, immediately I'm going to take your heart rate at 305, which is 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Then I'm going to take your palpation at 315. And then also halfway, you're going to have to switch from your leading limb. All right, so the different parameters for the test. You're going to make sure that if you have any problems with the test, you let me know and we'll stop immediately. Also, if your heart rate is not increasing as intensity increases, we'll stop the test too. Okay. I'm gonna have you sit quietly for 3 minutes, and then after I'm gonna take your heart rate, and then I'm gonna do your palpation, and I'm gonna put that down on my data table, so I have that down for after to compare your after exercise heart rate and your
okay.
heart rate. Also, I want to make sure, have you not exercised the past 24 hours? Have you taken any coffee, anything like that?
No.
Okay. So now I need you to sit quietly for 3 minutes and breathe in and breathe out. Now we're going to measure your heart rate. (78, 77). Well, it's actually 99. So now I'm going to take your palpation. So that is that. Now we're going to begin the test. So now we're going to begin the test. I'm going to set a metronome for 88 beats per minute, and then she's going to be taking 22 steps per minute. Also, I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes, and then after that 3 minutes, 3:05, we're going to do heart rate, and then after that, 3:15, we're going to do palpation to determine the recovery, heart rate, and recovery palpation. And after that, I'm going to do this little formula at 65.81 minus 0.1 or 1847 times the heart rate that we get at the very end. Once I get that, I'll be able to determine her VO2 max and also get her rank, and then I'll give her classification, different things like that on what she should probably do to bring it up or, get an average. So now you may begin the test. Now switch to your opposite when starting. Almost done. You got 15 seconds. All right, you're good. Your heart rate is 98. So now I'm going to take your palpation. So for palpation, with 33. All right. So now I'm gonna input this in the calculator and see what we get. All right, so her recovery heart rate was 128, and she's in good standing according to the formula we used for the women. And so with that formula, the number we got was 42, and so with that, it allows us to interpret that you're in good standing. And also, with that being said, your fitness levels are good and you are good at prolonging your exercise and increasing the intensity. If you want to continue to do that, you should continue to prolong your exercises and increase intensity. Also, different ways to do that, like you can do it on a treadmill, you can run and just increase like how high it goes up, so increase that.